The classic risks in supply chain, from the OEM's perspective, is no part, wrong part, bad part, right? These are the three ways you can get in trouble when you have 3,000 people putting a car together or more putting an airplane together and you're missing a critical part that shuts the line down. You also have the risks of something got through the quality systems that causes a recall. That's usually a mix of design risk plus supply risks. And then on the other side of the house, the supplier risk still carries a lot of uncertainty in future production. So for those familiar with the bullwhip effect, you have this inventory carrying costs that can go up and down depending on the volumes of your customers and whether they're hitting their targets or not. Did you buy extra material in anticipation of a change? Things like that. And then finally, in the supply chain, the other side of it is there's turnover there as well. We have a lot of retirees for smaller factories, transitioning businesses, both within family-owned operations or into private equity groups, mergers and acquisitions, into larger supplies.